You have carried questions that no one else has heard. Some mornings you smile while hiding the weight inside you. Some nights you lie awake wondering whether your future will ever look different from your past. Yet I have seen every hidden tear, every silent prayer, and every burden you believed you had to carry alone. Do not allow fear to convince you that I have forgotten you. I have never taken my eyes off your life. Even during the seasons when heaven seemed silent, my hands were still working in places you could not see. My silence was never abandonment. It was preparation. Something within you has sensed that change is near. Familiar places no longer satisfy your heart. What once felt comfortable now feels temporary. Do not mistake this for confusion. It is the gentle stirring of my spirit, leading you toward the next chapter one have prepared. I am not removing you to punish you. I am repositioning you so you can flourish. Think of a gardener who carefully lifts a young tree from soil where its roots can no longer grow. The process looks disruptive, but every movement is filled with purpose. The gardener knows the tree's future requires richer ground. In the same way, I am placing you where your gifts, your faith, and your calling can grow beyond what you imagined. The shaking you have experienced is not the end of your story. It is the beginning of a new season. Like a seed buried beneath the earth, your life has appeared quiet to others. Many assumed nothing was happening because they could not see beneath the surface. Yet hidden from every human eye, new life has been forming. Roots have been stretching deeper. Strength has been growing in secret. Nothing I allow is wasted. Every delay has taught you patience. Every disappointment has strengthened your faith. Every unanswered question has drawn you closer to my presence. What felt like empty waiting was actually sacred preparation. Do not let fear speak louder than my promises. I created you with intention. Your life carries purpose that cannot be replaced by anyone else. There is a light within you that the world needs, and I will not allow it to remain hidden forever. At the right moment, I will uncover what I have placed inside you, and those who once overlooked you will witness the work I have accomplished. Stay close to me. A tree planted beside living water does not depend on changing weather for its survival. Its strength comes from a source beneath the surface that never runs dry. I desire your life to be rooted in that same unfailing source. When storms come, you may bend, but you will not break. When seasons become difficult, you will continue to bear fruit because my life flows through you. Remember this whenever you grow weary. Your strength has never depended solely on your own ability. It has always come from my presence surrounding you. I have carried you through days you believed would defeat you, and I will continue carrying you into everything I have prepared ahead. So lift your eyes with hope. The road before you may still contain unfamiliar turns, but I have already walked every step before you. Nothing waiting tomorrow can surprise me. My peace will surround you, my wisdom will guide you, and my love will remain your constant shelter. Do not fear the new season. I am leading you from uncertainty into purpose, from weariness into renewed strength, and from waiting into fulfillment. Trust me one step at a time, and you will discover that every place I lead you has already been prepared with my goodness. M.Y. Child, be still for a moment and listen to what your heart has known for a long time. You were never made to walk through this life feeling lost, music, or forgotten. You wake up every morning with worries, music, that you don't say out loud. Put your fears and tired thoughts to rest, that I know all of them, and today I'm going to answer them. Music. When you hear these words, something will change in you, not because the words are smart, but because I am in them. I've seen enough of you. I'm going music to talk now. Please pay close attention. Want to move around a lot lately. The feeling that something is coming to an end, having strange music, pain in places that used to feel like home. You've been scared that something is wrong with you. You're fine. Your spirit knows what your mind doesn't yet understand. I am moving you. You are not going to where you have been living. What you already know is not what I have music planned. The season is changing, and it starts right now as I speak to you. Music, this is not a small change. This is a change that brings your whole life to a new level. Don't worry about that word moving. I don't pull up to hurt. I pull out to plant. Music. If you leave a vine in poor soil, it will never produce the fruit it music was meant to. The vineyard manager then lifts the tree, roots and all, and places in ground that is deep music, enough to hold its future. That's what I'm doing with you. The shaking you felt isn't destruction. It's my hands on the roots. Picture a caterpillar in its dark cocoon. Music. It looks like nothing is going on from the outside. That IT looks like nothing is moving. It appears to be done. But on the inside, a whole change is happening. That's been your season this past year. There was music. Nothing there when it was quiet. You couldn't see the work. We're not seeing you fall apart. You are being put together in a different way. Piece by piece in a way that will make sense to you in the END. IT doesn't waste my time. Music. Don't waste time being quiet. There were days when it seemed like nothing was getting music done. I know your heart has been heavy. You felt worry like a stone in your chest. Getting up with it and going to music, sleep with it. Listen up. Fear doesn't have the last word in your story. That I promise that I will keep my word to you. You were not music made by chance. You were carefully shaped for a reason that is unique to you. No matter what, you have a light inside you that is meant to reach people. It's been hidden for a while. The cover won't stay on. As I do this move, my hand lifts the covering. See a tree that is planted next music to a river. It's very hot outside. Even when it's dry, the tree doesn't die because its roots get water from a source music that never runs out. That's why I made you. If you stay music close to me, you will bear fruit at the right time, and no drought can.